If you are stuck on your Android lock screen and have forgotten the pattern, PIN or password, this video will show you how to reset the screen lock. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Info Tips. Let's dive straight into today's topic, to prevent unauthorized access to our personal data. We usually protect our Android devices with a lock screen. You can use a pattern, PIN, password, or even a Google lock. But what happens if you forget the lock you have applied? Well, don't panic because you are not alone. It's a common problem that many people face. So today in this video, we will be talking about how to unlock your Android screen if you forgot the lock. Also, we will discuss some of the points that will help you to avoid such a situation. Before starting, please subscribe to stay updated on all our upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Nowadays, most Android devices come with advanced security features that don't allow us to remove a screen lock without losing our data. The only way to bypass a forgotten Android screen lock is by doing a factory reset. It will erase all your local data and settings, but hey, don't worry because you can recover all your data from cloud backup. So first, let's see some simple ways that will help you to unlock your Android phone without resetting it. But these methods only work if you had enabled any of these options on your phone. Before applying a lock, you should know that Android doesn't want thieves to steal your device and your data too. So if you lose data while removing the lock, it's probably because the phone thinks you aren't actually the owner. These simple solutions will help you if you prove to the phone that you are the owner. Method 1. Use biometrics to get in. Then set a new lock. This method works if you had set up a fingerprint or face recognition before. Biometrics are individual and unique, so they are the fastest and easiest way to unlock your phone. So first, unlock the phone using your fingerprint or face. After unlocking, go to Settings, tap on Security. Then go to Screen Lock. There you will get a lock screen option. Now confirm it using your fingerprint or face recognition. Now choose the type of lock you want to set. Then set a new PIN, password or pattern. Once done, tap on Done. We have successfully changed the lock screen. Note down that if you have just restarted your phone, Android might ask you for your PIN or password first before accepting your biometrics. Method 2. Use Smart Lock to get in. Then set a new PIN, password or pattern. A smart lock allows trusted places and devices to skip the lock screen. So if you have turned on Smart Lock before, then this method is for you. If you have trusted a location, then go to that place. Or if you have trusted a Bluetooth device, then make sure it's connected to your phone. Once your phone unlocks, go to Settings, then tap on Security, then tap on Screen Lock. Tap on Screen Lock type and set a new PIN, password or pattern. Once done, tap on Done. If you have just rebooted, Smart Lock won't unlock until you enter your PIN once. Method 3. Samsung phones, Find My Mobile Unlock. This method only works on Samsung phones. If you had enabled Find My Mobile on your phone, then this method is for you. Note down that you must have signed into your Samsung account on your phone. Open a browser and go to findmymobile.samsung.com. Sign in with the same Samsung account you used on your phone. Now select your device and tap on Unlock. Now confirm it and enter your password again to confirm. Once done, your phone's lock screen is removed without erasing any of your data. Now set a new screen lock on your phone. To do this, go to Settings, then tap on Security, then tap on Screen Lock. Tap on Screen Lock type and set a new PIN, password or pattern. Once done, tap on Done. Method 4. Forgot pattern PIN on very old Android 4.4 or older. This method only works on old Android devices running Android 4.4 or earlier. If you are using a modern Android phone, then this option is not available. Enter the wrong pattern or PIN around 5 to 10 times. After that, you will see an option Forgot Pattern or PIN. Tap on it. Now sign in with the Google account you used on your phone. Once done, you will see a new lock screen where you can set a new lock. This method no longer appears on modern Android. Now, if none of the above methods work for you, unfortunately, there's no safe, data-preserving unlock left. Your choices are: recover your account Google or Samsung on another device and try again. If any of the methods above required sign-in, check your backups before resetting. See if your photos are in Google Photos opening parenthesis photos.google.com. Check Google Drive backups drive.google.com next storage and backups. WhatsApp, Google Drive next backups and WhatsApp, Samsung Cloud or Smart Switch if you use them. Now go ahead and remove any microSD card to keep its contents safe. Then if you decide to proceed, do a factory reset and restore from those backups. All Android devices are protected by default with a Google account. So, you will need it to reset your phone. Tap and hold the power button. Now here, press and hold the power off option. Keep holding it until you see the recovery mode screen. Now release the button and you will see an Android logo. Wait for a few seconds. Now you will see a reset option. Tap on it and it will reset your phone. To reset your phone, you have to sign in with the same Google account that is associated with your phone. Follow the instructions and complete the process. Once done, you will see a setup screen. Now start setting up your phone and restore data from your backup to set up your phone. Go to Settings and set a new lock screen on your phone. This is it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more tech-related videos. If you have any queries, then comment down below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.